Hey guys, welcome back to Broke People's Guide. Today I want to show you really quick how to fix a leaky bathroom sink faucet. It could be something as easy as replacing your washer. I don't actually have a leaky faucet, so I'm just going to show you how to remove the knob and show you how to find the washer so you can replace that, and hopefully that works. First thing we want to do, I don't know if we actually need to turn the water off, but we're going to do the hot water side. So you're just going to go under the sink and turn the hot water off. And now we just want to make sure that it's off. It is. Okay, good. There's a little hole right here where that can be unscrewed. So when I look in there, it looks like this is what I need. And it's kind of hard to reach in there. So I'm going to I'm going to struggle with it a little bit. Oh, I felt it move. Loosened it all the way, and I removed the knob. So let's see what we have in here. I don't know what that is. Looks like there's a flathead screw in there. I didn't know what I was going to find in there, so I was not prepared with a flathead. So I'm going to go get one now. Whoa, I'm back. Okay, so now I'm gonna I think that's what I'm supposed to do. I think I'm supposed to take this whole thing off. I think I needed pliers also. Okay, so we're gonna remove this thing. I don't have a wrench, but it's probably easier with a wrench. So we're gonna turn left. I already loosened it a little bit, but I struggled with it. So there we go. Okay, I don't know now. Ooh, there we go. There's water in there. Okay, so your washer is this black thing. If the washer is old and worn, then that's probably why your faucet is leaking. So I don't actually need to replace mine, but if you do, take that out, replace it, put it back in. So we're gonna put that back. Okay, so now we're gonna put this back in there. I don't know what the purpose of this was. Should I explore it? Nah. I don't care. So, okay, so...
Wait, you make videos so people can like it?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, and
so people can learn how to fix their own things. So this white thing needed to go all the way in. There's like a little... You'll feel it like when it clicks down. So it needed to go back in properly. And this I remember was on this side. I don't know if that makes a difference, but I want to return everything to its original position. I don't want to be messing anything up, you know. Okay, that's as tight as it was before. And now we're going to put this back on. I don't think that's the order we did it in, but I don't think it matters.
The video? Can I do the video?
Yeah, when I'm done. Oh, you know what? This has the model number of the knob or something. So we're going to leave it in here because we might need that in the future. So this little hole, I don't know if it's supposed to be aligned with a little hole that's over here. But just in case it does, we're going to make sure that we leave it where it's supposed to go. And then we're just going to try to tighten this in there. Okay, I think that's as tight as it'll go. Okay, so now we're going to turn the water back on. And let's see if the water turns back on. It does. So that was it, guys. I can't believe how easy that was. If you think of anything else that you want me to try, that you need help with, let me know in the comments, and I will try to work on that. please subscribe. Watch my next video. I don't know where it is. It's gonna be this way? Is it gonna be this way? It was easy, right?
Yeah.
That was super easy.
Yeah. Thumbs up if you like the video.
Yes. How to not be ugly in your video. I didn't even know the knobs, the faucet knobs had that little thing on the side that you can just open it.